Wondering how fruit salad is made? Guys, it's not just cutting fruit salad and mixing it together. You want to make a statement fruit salad that your family and friends will be asking, how did you make that? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you 2 ways to make luxury fruit salad. Okay, before we get started, let me welcome you back to my channel. This is Mabel. So today I'll be showing you how to make fruit salad in 2 methods. First method, make the salad dressing, and for the dressing we need some lemon zest, we need some orange zest, then some orange juice and some lemon juice. So we're just going to prepare everything we need for the dressing. So we'll make the dressing first and then we'll make the fruit salad. Right, if you have a grater, then it might be easy for you to get the lemon zest and the orange zest. Now that everything is set, let's make the salad dressing. So first, put in the orange juice into the pot. Next, put in the lemon juice. Then we're going to add in the orange zest and the lemon zest. Also, we need some brown sugar, or you can use the Demerara sugar. So I'm using the Demerara sugar. All the measurements will be in the description below. Okay. So we're just going to boil this for 5 minutes. It's going to thicken a little bit. So once you start mixing it, you'll notice that it's going to thicken up after adding the sugar, and then we'll set it aside to cool. It's thickened a little bit, so I'm just going to pour it into a bowl and just set it aside to cool while I prepare my fruits. So for my fruit salad, I'll be using some kiwi. I love kiwi, guys. It has a lot of benefits. Also, I'll be using some mango chunks. So these are fresh mangoes. I already peeled and diced them into cubes. So some mangoes, some kiwi. I'll be using some strawberry, blackberry, all those good stuff. So it's important to know shapes and sizes of the fruits. That affects the overall presentation. So for the strawberry, I'm just going to cut them into 4 pieces. For the kiwi, you can just cut them into 4 after slicing them as well, or into 6. For the mango, you just want to make them into cubes as much as possible. For the blackberry, cut it into 2. Then I'll be using some seedless grapes. Okay, so you don't want to be chewing on the seeds while you're having your fruit salad. So we're going to be using seedless red grapes and green grapes. So for this, I just cut them into 2. Now to finish off the dressing, put in some vanilla. Okay, at this point the dressing is already cool, so put in about a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and then we're going to dress the salad. So put the dressing in bits and just mix it together. Mix well together, make sure it's well combined. You want every fruit, each and every one, to be coated with the dressing. Guys, this dressing, you just need to give it a try and let me know in the comment section if you love it, because this dressing is great. If you taste this fruit salad, yummy. You will know it's different from just cutting your fruits and mixing it together. All right, so after mixing well, I'm just going to cover this bowl and pop it into the fridge to cool for about 2 to 3 hours, and then our fruit salad will be ready to go. Also, if you used very cold fruits, then you'll be able to consume it right away. See, it's ready to eat. You can also enjoy this with some ice cream. I made some mango ice cream. Recipe is in the description. Yeah, so let's make the second method. I'm just showing you this second method so that you can know this simple dressing. So if you want to make very small portion of fruit salad or something you want to consume right away, you can make this very simple dressing. For this, you can use any fruit of your choice, and you need two things for the dressing: a maple syrup, is it maple or maple syrup, and some lemon juice. That's all you need for this dressing, and it tastes amazing, guys. This also tastes great. Okay, so I already used cold fruits, so I'm just going to enjoy this right away. Come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Leave a comment for me. I want to read from you. I want to know when you tried this recipe. Okay, love you all. Bye bye.